Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how we launch Autodesk Revit. Okay, you click on your desktop, you click on Revit 2022 and it will open. Wait as it loads. Yes, so when it loads, let us wait for it to load. It is taking a bit longer than expected. Yes, it has finally opened. So when it opens up, it launches this window. So as you can see from the window recent files, these are the projects I last did from this computer. So this is a sample project that comes with the software. These are templates, and also there are families that come already with the software when we install. So if you want to create a new file, a new project, you click here. And if you want to open a file, you click here. So we are going to create a new project. So we click on new, then the dialog box comes, say template file. We choose an architecture template. Since we are going to work on architecture, we are going to model architecture drawings. Okay, so we open. Yeah, in that case we have launched our architecture template, and here we are going to be modeling architecture drawings only. So in the next video I'm going to show you how we model. I'm going to tap one by one in the architecture template. I'm going to start with the walling. Thank you for watching.